guys, you wanna see all the Among Us toys? Okay. Big is blue and yellow. There's the blue going slow. It's going way slow. It's blue. Then gray. That's new. Green. But this is lime. And red and white and blue and black and white again. Like the tiny white and blue and yellow. Oh, you want to see a sequel of these? Okay, guys. Since we have it, we can. The Among Us. You can make a dent. Let's connect it back together. Okay. When the imposter takes off his hat.